Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password without your old Facebook password. So if you forgot your old Facebook password, but you want to make a new password, you have to have your old password to do that usually. So I'll show you guys how to make it without your old password. So first things first, head over to the Facebook app, and once you're here, click on the three bars in the bottom right or top right. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page here. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on that and a drop-down bar will appear. You'll want to click on Settings, which is the top option in that drop-down bar. Once you click on Settings, you'll be brought to this page here. You'll want to click on Password and Security. Once you do that, you can scroll down to Login and choose Change Password. Once you click on that, as you can see, if you put in your current password and then you put in your new password, you'll be able to change it like that. But if you don't have that, there's an option below all of it which says Forget Password. It's right below Cancel. So it's the blue text right underneath Cancel. So if you forgot your password, you can just click on that, and once you click on it, you'll be brought to a new page like this. Once it loads, it'll tell you to send a code to your email. So just click on Continue right here, and it'll send it to your email. If you have multiple emails connected to it, it'll let you choose which one. And once you send it, head over to your Gmail or email real quick. So I'll head over there real quick. And once you get over to your Gmail, it should be the newest email that just appeared. So here it is right here. But once you get here, you don't want the code. Right below it, it should say an option that says Change Password. It should be the big blue button beneath the code. So once you see it, you can just click on that and it will bring you to a new Facebook page. You just have to open it with a browser. Once you open it, it will bring you to a new Facebook page. And then here, you can just put in a new passcode. So put in whatever you want your new passcode to be. So I'll just put in one real quick. And once you put it in, click on Next. And you can also choose to log out of all your Facebook accounts, but it doesn't really matter. So once you do that, you can choose to stay logged in or review other devices. It doesn't matter. And then I'll choose to stay logged in and then click Continue. Here, you can just click OK. And it will all be good. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Your password should be updated now, so it's all good to go. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.